Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome from me, Steve Lazarus, and this week's edition of Disasters in the Home Community on Sunday the 17th of March 2013. It's been a relatively quiet week for me this last week, so what I thought I would do, I thought I would talk to you about a little known concept called underinsurance. Now, it's bad enough when you have a disaster in the home, be it a fire, a theft or a flood or storm damage or something of that description, and you're stressed out and you don't know what to do, and then you go and make an insurance claim, and lo and behold, the insurance company or their loss adjusters turn around to you and say, sorry madam, you've got a valid claim, but you are underinsured. And you'll be saying to yourself, well, what does this underinsurance mean? Well, it means different things to different insurance companies. They interpret it differently depending on the degree of underinsurance and, of course, the insurance company and how they interpret it. When you take out an insurance policy for your home, you pay a premium, and that premium is based on a number of factors. One is the risk factor, the type of property, the construction, the valuables you have in the property, etc. And it's also based on the value, the contents of your home, for example, if it's on contents, or the rebuilding cost of your home. What is the value to replace the contents? What is the value to insurance company to rebuild the home? And they will charge you a premium which is commensurate with the risk and the value of the property. You are expecting insurers to replace all your contents in the event you have a fire, rebuild your complete house in the event you have a total burnout. And insurers in return expect to have a full premium for that expectation. Now, if you have a small theft, for example, you are still expected to have paid a full premium. But if you haven't paid a full premium, when the loss adjuster comes around, he will tell you, madam, you are underinsured. You should be insured for, say, £50,000, but you're only insured for £20,000 or £30,000. You will turn around and say, but only a small percentage of my goods have been stolen or damaged. And the loss adjuster will say, yes, I appreciate that, madam, sir, but you haven't paid sufficient premium, but you're still expecting us to cover the full loss in the event you have a major loss. So we could do one of three things. And the three things that they normally do are as follows. If the underinsurance is fairly minor, within normal parameters, say 0 to 20% you're underinsured, they may let it go and say there's no penalty on this occasion, but please increase your amount you're insured for, what we call your sum insured, and pay the extra premium. If, for example, on the other hand, you are underinsured by between, say, 20 and 50%, then the insurance company and their loss adjusters may turn around and say, well, we're going to impose a penalty on you. You've had a valid claim, we appreciate that, but you're significantly underinsured, and therefore we're going to either reduce the value of your claim in one of two ways, and I won't go into those ways now because that is a whole other topic, but they can either knock off for wear and tear, or they can reduce the value of your claim in proportion to the amount you're underinsured. As I said, it gets quite technical. The third thing they can do, if you're significantly underinsured, i.e. say over 50% underinsured, you should be insured for £50,000, but you're only insured for, say, £25,000, they can actually kick your claim out completely. They can say your policy never existed in reality, void the policy from the beginning, from when you took out the policy, and say it's as if you were never insured with us. It's called void ab initio, void from the beginning of the policy. So, tip for today, having gone all technical on you guys, is please review your insurance levels. Make sure you are adequately insured for a full replacement value of all your contents, your stock, the rebuilding cost of your house, not the market value of your house, the rebuilding cost. Make sure you are adequately insured. If you've got any concerns, you can always speak to an insurance broker, or you can contact me for some advice. I'm not a broker, but I can point you in the right direction. So that's the tip for today. Check your insurance levels, make sure you're adequately insured. Hope you found that useful and helpful, and I look forward to seeing you again next week. Have a great week, and please avoid those disasters in the home. Take care. Bye-bye.